day 2, heading into Alcester, but first, breakfast. So I'm just got in my boat, just waiting for Sam, and then we're going to take day 2 and we're going to head. So we've got a tree in the river, we can't get over it, so we're going round it. It's going to be a little bit dangerous. So our only way back into the river is here. Oh, wow. We've been on the river 40 minutes and we've come to the 3rd obstacle. Check this out. Without a puncher, that was a bit of a mess, like, but so we've arrived at our campsite. We've got the cup of tea on, which is important. That's it.
Hello there.
So he's putting his hammock up. Got a bit wet today, didn't you, Sam?
Yeah, a little bit. Hop in the boat, didn't help.